So this tutorial is going to show us making a origami rainbow star from our Fantasy Unicorns kit. So you take your rainbow star-shaped paper that looks like this, and then with the word top facing upwards, we're going to fold along the diagonal. So fold it in half, have the points meet at the top, and fold it in half like this. Open it back up and fold these points together in half, the whole paper. Fold it along the middle, place it well, and open it back up. Next, we're going to turn the paper over and fold along these dotted lines in half, so the bottom edge meets the top edge, and the side edges meet the other side, and crease well. Next, we have a little typo on our instruction sheet. So instead of B being at the top, I would like to have C at the top, and we bring B, D, and C down to point A, like this. Next, we're going to put our fingers in between the flaps on the sides. So you can see D here, so we take our finger, we put it inside, and here I have dotted lines for guidance. And we put our finger here, and we lift this flap like this, lift it up, and we fold along that dotted line so that a little pointy part comes out of the side. We're going to do the same on the left side. Insert your finger in between the flaps so that B comes upwards, and fold along the dotted lines so that that flap comes up, and you've got 2 points like this. Next, take your finger and put it all underneath and in between all the flaps, and we're going to fold this entire sheet to the left. So it's pivoting and folding. So we fold along this dotted line, but we take this and we pivot it. So we just move it this way and fold along that dotted line. And you'll see the star just comes together, and we are done.